Today I am telling you the story behind Shashirekha's marriage with Abhimanyu. The story is not present in Mahabharata, but it's like a folk tale. During the Pandavas' exile, Arjuna sent his wife Subhadra and their son Abhimanyu to Dwaraka. There Subhadra stayed with her brothers Krishna and Balarama. In Dwaraka, Abhimanyu met a beautiful girl named Shashirekha, who was the daughter of Balarama and his wife Revati. Both of them had been deep in love with each other since then. Also, at the time of Shashirekha's birth, Balarama promised to marry her to Abhimanyu when they grow up. However, Balarama's wife Revati refused to honor that commitment as the Pandavas lost their kingdom and wealth in a gamble with Kauravas and were sent to exile. Balarama instead decided the marriage of Shashirekha with Lakshmana, who was the son of his favorite disciple Duryodhana. When Abhimanyu came to know about this and was annoyed, Abhimanyu asked his maternal uncle Krishna to interfere. Krishna said he could not do so, but Abhimanyu should ask the help from his first cousin Karutkaja, the son of Arjuna's brother Bhima and Hidambi, who lived in Varnavad. Karutkaja learned a lot of magical tricks from his demoness mother, so Abhimanyu and Subhadra went to the forest to meet Karutkaja. Initially, Karutkaja had assumed them to be the intruders in his forest and attacked them, but later apologized for his misunderstanding. When Subhadra narrated about what happened of her son and Shashirekha, Karutkaja decided to play his magical prowess in Dwaraka. He done 2 tricks in Dwaraka with the knowledge of Krishna. He first flight the sleeping Shashirekha along with her bird from Dwaraka to his forest. Next, using his magical powers, he assumed the form of Shashirekha and went back to Dwaraka and recalled her marriage with Lakshmana. He clamps Lakshman's arm, scaring Lakshman, who promptly faints. Then Lakshman vowed never to marry Shashirekha. Meanwhile, back in the forest, the real Shashirekha is married Abhimanyu. When everything went up right, Karutkaja revealed his true identity to her. When Duryodhana learned that Abhimanyu had married Shashirekha, he was furious and thus his anger toward Pandava was further fueled. Now Krishna entered into the picture and Shashirekha's parents, Balarama and Revati, were convinced by him. So they decided to accept the newly wedded Abhimanyu and Shashirekha. Later the couple's marriage was celebrated in Dwaraka. That's all for today. Thank you.